Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, when you subscribe to my channel, you're going to get a chance to win some free money every time I receive 1,000 new subscribers to my channel. So all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to my channel, watch my videos all the way to the very end, like all my videos, and make sure you drop this comment, hashtag get your grind on. And once I receive that 1,000 new subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick a comment and that person is going to win the free money via PayPal. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money, please subscribe now. Don't miss out. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $75 plus doing nothing. Now, if you're new to my channel, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Also, give me a like. It really helps out my channel and helps out this video. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about what I'm talking about today. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end because there are some important steps that you need to take and I don't want you to miss out on these steps. So watch this video all the way to the very end. Now, this method is absolutely free to start. It's available worldwide. And all you need is a computer or a laptop or even your phone to implement this method. So let's go ahead and get into this right now. So without further ado, let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm at this website. It's called UpVoice. So on UpVoice, what you're going to be doing is really just browsing these websites right here. So it says get paid for your time you spend on these websites. So Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Amazon, and Twitter. And what you're going to be doing is adding a Chrome extension to your desktop browser. And you're going to start earning gift cards by visiting our participating sites, which is those sites and probably some other sites also. And you can sign up through Facebook. If you don't have Facebook, just sign up with Facebook and then you'll be able to come here and go ahead and open up an account. They have a video you can watch that's probably going to give you a demonstration of how everything works. Probably a short demonstration, but I'm going to tell you how it works right now. So what you're going to do is install that extension to your desktop browser, Google, and then you're going to browse. That's all you're going to do is just start browsing like you do on a regular basis. And then you're going to start earning from those participating sites that you visit. And what it's going to do is pay you in daily points. And you have to have your ad blocker off. So you have an ad blocker, turn that off because it's going to be ad showing. So every time an ad showing, you're going to earn your daily points. And then you'll be able to redeem those points into a variety of gift cards. Now, matter of fact, let me show you these gift cards. So you have Amazon, AMC, Amazing, Uber, Nike, Adidas, Visa, Walmart, Best Buy, Burger King. So that's some of the cards that you're going to be getting. Now, let's scroll down here and read a little bit more. So, who you are matters. So, as a qualified UpVoice panelist, you become a member of an exclusive marketing research community that impacts the marketing decisions and brand strategies of multi-billion-dollar corporations who want to get your attention online. This means that you have a direct influence on the online advertising campaigns of big brands. That's what and it says here, that's what being a member of this exclusive community is all about. And it sounds very, very intriguing. So let's just scroll down here and look at some reviews. So users love it. So this one review right here, person is named Billy. They said, earn money for nothing, literally. Who wouldn't add this extension? Seriously, get paid to visit sites you already do on a daily. Anyhow, honestly, you would be crazy not to add this extension. So this person is very, very happy with that extension. And let's look at Sandra, see what she has to say. I just received my first $10 from Voice. I am amazed how easy it is to accumulate points with this extension. I like it a lot. So as you see, they have other reviews in, all of them give them 5 stars. So that's very good. That's very good that people love this site. So that means you're going to love it too. So let's scroll down here and see what the awards. So as soon as you're qualified as a member of our panelists, you will begin collecting tokens, which can later be redeemed for selection of e-gift cards. If you use our participating sites daily, you can earn even more rewards. Earn more by completing periodical surveys from brands you want to know what you think. All right, so right down here, they just talk about the privacy, that they're not going to share your data or anything. So everything is protected. And let's scroll down here to the frequently asked questions. And let's scroll down here to one question you guys probably want to know, which is, how much can I make? So it says here, depends on how active you are. Active members who access participating sites daily can expect to earn at least $75 in rewards in the first year of their participation in our panel. Make sure to disable your ad blocker if you have one. Otherwise, you will not be eligible for awards. So you can get paid up to $75 if you're a very good active member. And that's probably just being a regular active member. If you go over and beyond being an active member, you probably can even make more than $75. All right, guys. So that's all I'm going to say about this site. So if you're ready to go ahead and start with this site, go to joinupvoice.com. All right, guys, that's the end of this video. Please, before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button and help me to get like 100 likes. It's going to help out my channel and helps out this video. And please drop a comment down below. And don't forget to type hashtag get your grind on so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 3,000 subscribers. I'm almost there, guys. I'm at 2,800, something like that, or 2,850. So I'm like 150 or 160 away from getting to 3,000. Guys, help me to get there. Please help me to get there. But I really appreciate you guys help me get this far with this channel. And if you want to keep helping me, share this video. Share it everywhere. On all social media networks. Everywhere. And help me get to that 3,000. And plus, I want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. Because I make videos like this every other day. Alright guys, appreciate you guys' help. I really thank you for always checking out my videos, Grind Family. You are the best, guys. I really appreciate it. And before I go, please drop a creative comment, because sometimes I give shout outs. So if you want to get a shout out on one of my videos, drop a creative comment below along with hashtag get your grind on. And if I like that comment, I'll shout you out in one of my videos. But you got to keep watching my videos, because I can pop up with any video and shout out your comment and your name. Because if you get a shout out and you got a YouTube channel, you just trying to grow that channel, this shout out can help you out, because I have, a couple of hundred or more people watching all my videos. So they might want to check out your video and see what type of content you have. So giving you a shout out is going to help you out. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I have for this video. One more thing before I leave. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on, yeah. Get your grind on.